The judge, Andrew Napolitano, Fox News senior judicial analyst, judge, the Wall Street Journal, writes judicial code of misconduct. It's a long editorial today in the newspaper or online. What do you think of this?
You know, it's becoming a complex case. I have no opinion on whether Judge Walker is qualified by intellect and temperament for the court, but by persistently staying as a member in an organization that I'm very fond of, but wouldn't join as a judge, which stands for a finite set of legal principles that a judge should not be supporting openly while on the bench. He's gotten himself in a bit of a tangle here. I think he'll probably be confirmed, but it would have been easier for him had he not taken such a strident position in favor of joining this organization. Look, the organization stands for things that I believe in: small government and maximum individual liberty. But not all litigants want a jurist with that kind of an attitude trying their case. This is a jurist who unabashedly has that kind of an attitude, makes no apology for it, and uses the bench to try and settle policy issues outside the courtroom. That's trouble.
Okay, we'll see if the confirmation goes forward as you predict there. Now I want to go to Texas. This is Shelley Luther. It's a story that is hot. She's now in jail for 7 days for opening up her salon. Watch here.
Why did you reopen?
Because I had no other choice, because I couldn't feed my family.
So moments ago, the Attorney General there in Texas is asking the judge to reconsider. What do you think of this case, how it's going down? When you consider on Friday of this week, she could have done it without having to say, I apologize in front of a judge.
All right, so she was not convicted of violating Governor Abbott's guidelines, because the guidelines are just guidelines. They don't have the force of law. She was convicted of violating a judicial order to shut her salon. The judge who issued that order has no more authority to shut the salon than does the governor, who didn't exercise any authority to shut the salon. And then after he convicted her, is saying, all I need you to do is admit that you're selfish and you won't go to jail. Admit that she's selfish. Being selfish is not a crime. This sort of say what I want you to say and I won't send you to jail violates her right to remain silent. This case is a mess. The best thing that can happen would be for Governor Abbott and the Attorney General Paxton of Texas to get their wish, which is that she be released from jail immediately so that she can go to work. When, as you point out, the guidelines will open up barbershops
within 48 hours. The judge wants an apology. You call her an American hero. Does she stay in bars for 7 days or not, Judge?
I hope they let her out soon, but she is a hero for not kowtowing to this judge who wanted her to admit she was wrong. She was not wrong. The judge has no more authority to close her shop than the governor does.
Thank you for your time. We'll see you in person soon. Thank you, Judge. Nice to see you.
Pleasure.